Hello there. In this lesson, I will teach you how to create ChatGPT account. There are two processes. Create ChatGPT account. Number one process, you can visit chat.openai.com or you can visit openai.com. Okay. So now here I type chat.openai.com and press enter. So now this is ChatGPT account open interface, right? Now click sign up button and press here email address and press continue button and paste here your password and press continue button. So wait a few minutes. Look this. Verify your email. We send an email to your email address. This email, right? So need to check this email. This is email come from openai.com for verification, right? So now click this email and verify email address. So here I open different browser, then need to click copy this link and open new tab and paste here and enter. So here press your first name and last name, right? And press continue button and put here phone number, right? After putting your phone number, then you need to click send code button here. So now click it and check your phone number. Here send a verification message, right? Now here I put my verification code and after verification code put, then it will be automatically redirect ChatGPT. Okay. Now next, done. So friends, this is our ChatGPT interface. So here put any questions, ask ChatGPT, right? Hopefully do you understand how to create ChatGPT account on openai.com. Thanks for watching this video.